Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, cats and dogs, YouTubers, viewers, whoever you guys are, young and old. It's Big Sammy at you guys. Hey, so we're doing a little project here at the house. I wanted to show you guys this stuff here because I think we can all take a little lesson from it. I know I could. I know I am. So anyways, make a long story short, what's going on here is we have a rotten soffit. As you guys can see, we started tearing some of it down already. I don't know if you can see by the video camera stuff, but let me show you some of the old rotten pieces. So what had happened is we were looking at the soffit. There's some rot right there. You guys can see it's worse on the other side, but I got stuff all piled up underneath it. But you could see like all the rot on the boards. This is the problem area right here. There's a little buddy right there that he found in my home up in there, and I don't know if a nail scraped him or what happened. Something got a hold of him while he's up there. But as you guys can see right there, and all along this back side of the garage, it has been rotten. And the reason why is because of the fascia started rotting out from the inside and give the critters like that guy a hole to go inside of. And yeah, they had all kind of stuff in the ceiling. Luckily this is just a garage, so it's, you know, it's not like you're hearing things during the night. But I'm gonna show you the reason why this happened the way it happened. And like I said, this is just a cautionary tale for some people, and kind of help you guys out as if you have the same problem. This is a 1960 house. Did the old school way, which is not a bad way, but when you do it the right way, it's not bad. But when you shortcut things and don't do it the right way, this is the problems you have. So we've always painted the soffit. I kept replacing boards on the soffit. I was just kind of waiting for the roof to have to be redone on the garage. We already did it on the house, and so here we are redoing the garage. However, over the years, waited for all this to happen, the soffit's rotten out. So this is what's going on. So as you guys see, they have their board kicked out really far. Like, see, they got their little outlookers or soffit material, if you will. These little boards right here, they go on there. They're nailed on the back, nailed on the rafter tail, and that holds your soffit up and then closes everything else for critters and stuff from going through and going into the roof and getting into your property, your structure, sorry. But what's happened here is they have cut this stuff off too long. It should have been flush to this here. Now, there could be a couple reasons why they didn't do this the right way. It could be the fact that if you look down there, all those rafter tails are going like this. Maybe they're not straight. Maybe whoever cut them off wrong, and what they did is they built it out again to make everything straight, which is fine. However, this is the problem. Like I said, they got that big gap there. I was about to say something else, as you guys might know. They got a big gap there. So when the shingle was sitting in there, like in this hole, let's see if I can hold it up. So the shingle was coming down. As it was getting hot, it was dipping in there and curling and allowing water to fall in. And that's the reason why the soffit is rotting out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to knock this stuff out here, which we already have, and we're going to shorten these up to be flush with the rafter tails, and then we're going to put our board in here like this, and we are going to, of course, string line it, make sure these are straight, but we're going to put them in there like that. You see that gap right there is very little, And then what we're gonna do, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Put your metal on there like so. And it gives you a lot of bite to put in there, so you have a drip edge, and then your soffit will be more protected, or your fascia board will in your soffit. So that's how you fix this problem here. Like I said, if you guys got any questions or comments or anything else, please leave us them at the bottom. If we can go into depth with anything else, or I can talk to you about it, so we can all kind of help each other. But like I said, if you got an issue with your shingles falling, let's just say you got a soffit that you keep repairing one board or two boards, or you have to repair it every so often like we were doing here, this could be one of your problems. If you're doing a new roof and you have no soffit, you want to make sure that you have, boom, this board on here a little lower than the actual boards or the plywood going in from your roof, and then put your metal on there, and there you go, you're off to the races. So anyways, I hope you guys find this helpful. Like and subscribe if you would. Leave us a comment if you have a better way of doing things, and appreciate y'all stopping by. Later on.